Hey guys, how you doing there? This is Brett. I just wanted to start the video series by teaching you guys how to log in to your WordPress blog sites. You'll see here, let's go ahead and start. You should have gotten emailed to you a document that looks very similar to this with your blog site. It has all of your WordPress website login information and then your email login information. We went ahead and created an email for you guys on the server that is the same as your domain. So for instance, brett@rockstartechnologies.net, and then your password so you can access all that stuff. And let's go ahead and show you guys how to log into everything. So to go to your website, obviously you're going to type in the domain name. And right now this looks bland. I don't have any content in here for myself, but for demonstration's sake, we're going to go ahead and show you how to log into the admin section. So you type in the domain, takes you to the main website that most people will be able to see, and then to get into the back end to the dashboard for the WordPress admin section, you need to type in the main domain with a /wp-admin. And go ahead and hit enter. Oops, I hit equals sign instead of hyphen. Admin, and it will take you here. I have my information already stored in here, but you're going to want to go ahead and reference the information from your guys's sheet that we sent out with your blogs. Now, once you're logged in, we're going to get into greater detail later on in other tutorials. How to blog effectively and set up a blog post and everything else. But this is how you log into the main site. You'll see on the left hand side right here, posts, media, pages. Posts are where you're primarily going to make your blog post that you're going to publish and syndicate to all the major search engines. This other stuff you don't really have to pay attention to too much. But we will explain to you in later tutorials exactly what all that stuff is about. And so that's how you log into your blog site. Now, to get into the webmail portion, what we do here is we type in webmail.yourdomain. So ours is rockstartechnologies.net. And that will take you to the webmail login section, and I type in my name. My password is already saved in here, and you are now logged in to your email, to your webmail. This can also be set up through Outlook if you guys are familiar with what Outlook is, or if you guys use any other mail management programs on your computer. You can set it up using the exact same information that we sent to you in your document that came with your website. Let's just run through here. If we go in Outlook, you go up to the top left right here where it says File, and then you go to Add Account and type in whatever your name is, and then whatever email address we set up for you guys that's in that same document. So mine is brett@rockstartechnologies.net, and then your password that we have in there. So and click next, and it'll ask you for some security information, blah blah blah. Not too important. It's just asking you for your permission to proceed. So click yes. And then another thing, it will try to establish an encrypted connection to your website, to your webmail that we've set up for you. It's gonna not work as encrypted, so once the message pops up here in a second, we'll see it tell us that an encrypted connection is not possible, and all we need to do is click next to do an unencrypted version, and it will work for us, and it will establish the email account in Outlook, and we'll be able to send and receive emails through Outlook on that email address. So it says right here, an encrypted connection to the mail server is not available, which is okay. It's going to attempt an unencrypted connection. Click next. and it will establish a connection to the server through an unencrypted connection, and everything will work just fine. Okay, so that's how you set it up in Microsoft Outlook. If you guys are wondering, you guys can access it just by going to webmail.yourdomain.com.net.me, whatever you guys have as your domain, and then enter in your user information that we have off of the sheet that we emailed to you guys with your websites. Please leave any comments below if you guys have anything for us to help us make these tutorial videos better. If not, stay tuned. We're going to have a series of videos that are going to teach you guys about how to set up your social media plugins and your social media accounts if you opted to have us not do them for you. Some people paid us to have us do that for them, but we do have tutorial videos to instruct you guys on how to set that up for yourselves, and then we'll have videos teaching you guys how to set up effective blog posts to be as Google friendly as possible, so you guys can hopefully get some traffic to your site. Again, leave some comments below if you guys have any feedback so we can make these videos any better, and we look forward to seeing you in the future videos.